Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry and today I'm going to be doing live swatches of Zoya Beachy Brights Summer Nail Polish Collection. So these are mini bottles. It came in this little kit, this naked manicure kit. So it came with a variety of different things. I'm not sure if this little kit is for sale, but I assume it is. But yeah, I'm just going to quickly show you what I got in the little package. Then we're going to jump right into the nail polish swatches. There are 6 cream bright summer nail polishes in this kit. I think they're like a really good size, especially if you have a large nail polish collection like I do. And a quick spoiler alert, these formulas are fantastic. Zoya typically does have really good cream nail polish formulas. So I'm starting off with Mini Johanna. This is this beautiful kind of bright pink color. It does lean towards neon, but not quite like eye-searing neon. The coverage is amazing in one coat. No running or pooling. The formula kind of stays exactly where you put it. I would say it's a 2-coater. It kind of dries a little bit matte in between each coat. But yeah, overall, beautiful color, beautiful cream, bright pink nail polish for the summer. The next nail polish is called Lonnie. Lonnie, I would call like a coral cream nail polish. So it is pink, but also leans a little bit orange. Again, amazing formula. I really like that these mini nail polishes have that like that Z wide brush attached to it. It makes application really easy. You don't get any streaks or anything like that. Coverage on the first coat was really nice. No running or pooling for the formula. And this one was completely opaque for me in only 2 coats. Looks great. Really bright color. For the summer, again, it's not that eye-searing neon, just a really bright, beautiful polish. The next polish is called Allura. This is more of like a darker, bright pink. It leans a little bit red, but you can still see that it's a pink in person. Again, it dries kind of matte after that first coat, but the coverage is amazing. This one might be a 1-coater. I don't quite remember, but I always apply 2 coats to everything. And the formula, amazing, just like the other 2 polishes in this collection. Next is Mini Avani. This is this beautiful, bright, lime green cream, I would say. It's green in person, but it has a lot of yellow in it as well, which is why I say it's lime green. Again, the formula is so good for like really bright polishes. This one was completely opaque in only 2 coats. The wide brush made it super easy to apply. No running or pooling into the cuticle area, and a great formula for such a light, bright color. Next is Pluto. Pluto is like a beautiful sky blue type cream nail polish. Again, the coverage on the first coat is really good, but you do need 2 coats for this polish to be completely opaque. It's a really fun, bright color to wear in the summertime, if you're going to the beach or whatever. It does dry to like a semi-matte finish, so you definitely want to apply a good glossy top coat at the end. But great formula, really beautiful polish if you don't have a color already like this. The last polish is called Soraya. Soraya is this very bright, like neon purple pink color. Very beautiful. Formula on the first coat is really nice. Again, this one might be a 1-coater. I don't quite remember. It looks like it on camera though. I did end up applying 2 coats because that's just what I do. It does dry down to a matte finish, so you want to add a good glossy top coat. Formula is amazing. Great coverage. This one's really bright and a beautiful nail polish color. I think this color might be my favorite from the collection. I think it's like very unique and very kind of different from the typical summer brights you see in the summer. Let me know what you think of this collection. Are you interested in picking anything up? Let me know your favorite nail polish in the comment section. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And be sure to check out my other live swatch and review videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.